everyone, Chris here, the RC Geek out at the field, and I've got the Dancing Wings PT-17 from Bitgo Hobby. There were a couple modifications that I did that I wanted to show you guys. Out of the box, the airplane comes without a pilot. The tires are fairly hard and kind of small, and so a couple of the things that I did that were extremely simple to do. First of all, I ended up putting Robart diamond tread tires here. These are the 3 3/4 inch. I actually probably could have gone a little bit larger, but that ended up being super simple. They just went right into place using the provided plastic bushings in the package. And then the other thing is the engine comes out of the box, it's just black. And so to kind of make some of that pop, I just did some basic dry brushing with silver. It actually really helped improve the look of it. Otherwise it just kind of looks like a black hole. And so this was an extremely simple thing to do, and it really made a big difference in terms of the looks. Obviously you can go to the point of 3D printing a whole new engine if you want, but this was a really quick and easy way to add a little bit dimension to something that otherwise didn't look too exciting, right? But the big modification that I did, you notice the pilot here. This is a WarbirdPilots.com pilot. This is the 1/6 scale pilot, the US Navy. And you notice he's got the head moving here. So they come from WarbirdPilots.com with an option with a servo operated head. And so what I did here is I took that pilot, I tied it with my Random Servo Motion Generator. And so what he ends up doing is I plug in the battery. When there's receiver power, he starts moving automatically, and so it adds a whole other dimension to the pilot himself. Now, to install him, I 3D printed a seat. I found something from a B-17 model, just kind of scaled it up, and so I ended up dremeling slots on either side of the seat, feeding a Velcro strap through, and so he's just simply Velcroed into place with that Velcro strap like a seat belt. And so he's nice and tight in here, not going anywhere. And so, yeah, he's cruising around, checking things out while he's flying his Stearman. And so, again, that was a really easy modification, something simple to do, and it really adds a whole lot. These pilots, the WarbirdPilots.com pilots, are extremely nice. They've got the cloth clothing, very accurate looking, and so I really like them a lot. I use them in all of my larger warbirds and jets and stuff. So yeah, I have onboard video here, so we're going to give you guys a flight with all of these modifications. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention, with this pilot in here, I did have to add a little bit more nose weight. It was about 3 ounces that I added to the nose inside the hatch area, because yeah, you know, he is behind CG, and so you have to offset that. But yeah, let's go do some flying. right, there we go. Just a few modifications. Dancing Wing PT-17. You know, this is a really nice looking model. I did a review on this one a while back, just a flight review, but yeah, it looks good. And the addition, you know, of a few things really make it pop a bit more. You know, it adds a bit more to it. So, all right, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow along on social media at the RC Geek. Subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you at the field.